Hi Jammers it's me again, Lionsrulea, and and today I will be making a video about me redoing my pen. So I'm going to yep, this is my whole pen now. Anything here. Now let's put this let's start with my floors and stuff. So let's have a bunch of pink. I go with that bunch of pink. And then next playing for anyways, I am recording with Mirth the cat. Cashmere the cat. Alright. Oh, I am an eagle. Alright. I just forgot. Now, I am putting. Should I record too? I am putting. This. I'm gonna put that here. No, they're talking about recording because they are recording. So, we're gonna start from under here. Take this, put it right here. Now, when I put that here, I put this. Like this. That's the whole wall. Alright. Now, I put a chair. I'm not in chair, but chair. Here we go. A nice chair. That is weird. No, it's not weird. Yeah. TV. I think I should have got a different color, but it doesn't matter. Still TV. You can still see it. It's a giant plastic wolf plushie. Put that there. Now we should be here. Okay. I don't know. I'm trying to put this like right here. The garden on the other side. Hey. Sorry. Alright. The eagle then.
Hello.
I can only
Yeah, I'm him.
record for
Wait!
15.
Alright, let me put it back for you. Sorry. What, dude?
By the way, 10 minutes. 15. Oh, it's called. Okay. I don't have a timer. A little dreamer. I don't have a timer of when I stop and stuff. So, the little dreamer, please subscribe us. There you go. Okay. You mean? Okay. Sub 2. Yeah. Alright. Good sub. Okay. Subscribe. Sammy Bob, is that right? And yes, it is right. No, Sammy Bob, no. It's not right. No, what? Okay. Let's play the Forgotten. That's Sammy Bob.
Yeah.
No, what? You can't play? Yeah, all three of us are Eagles.
Hungry?
No. And I will say in the song. I'm description. Forgotten. Hey, I got it. Wait and see now. Okay guys, so I'm gonna pause it at one point in the video to get to the end because you see there's only 14 minutes and I have no idea how much time I just took. So I'm gonna now go. So I'm gonna pause the video like not right now, okay, I'll wait. But I don't want this to go a little far. I don't want to waste up all the 15 minutes. 15 minutes doesn't take up a moment. I'm thinking. I don't know where to go. Should I go up? Should I go down? I don't know. Okay. Now we are. Alright, I'm gonna pause the video right now, and I will unpause it at the end of the video. Almost. So, I'm gonna pause it now. Okay, I unpaused it because we have about 3 minutes left on this whole game. So, we don't got a lot of time left. Doesn't matter, these are gonna get these anyway. I'm using the keypad because the mouse. So, yeah, I'm using the mouse because the mouse makes me go faster, and when you use the arrows, it doesn't go as fast. But I do use the arrows sometimes when I'm not playing the game. pod is dead.
Yeah, bring that
Yeah,
down.
I wouldn't always take it out.
I don't know how many minutes I have wasted, so anyways, I'm going to I don't know where anybody is.
Here.
Yeah. Got it. Got it.
You wanna go forward with me?
I might pause it again until the very end of this video because it's people talking background. They're going on. Mom, people walking. Yeah, I'm gonna forget about the people that are doing nothing. Why you gotta be so rude? No, we got no minutes, we got no yeah, there is people talking background and probably hear them talking back. And that's not me. No. Did I check everything on
You said what? You're gonna have to wait a few minutes. I'll make it in a few minutes. You said you don't answer the guy? Why would she let me down?
Wait, did you say we haven't bitten from us or you did? Okay. So I am finished this video. So see you next time. Bye.